Hello everybody, it's me, NeoMix here, and today I'm going to be showing how to set up gamepad for Undertale. So this is a modded gamepad that I have. I'm going to put the link in the description below. First, step 1, enable gamepad keyboard settings. So configure input methods, then check gamepad, then set current input method, choose gamepad 2, then gamepad settings, turn off this DOS box turbo Xbox 360 thing, then button A, leave that like that, that's the menu. Button B is number 9, that's enter. Button X is cancel. Button Y, I don't know. And then check gamepad notification. Okay, go out of here, then click on the table. So basically you just do that. Oh, what? Wait. Something's wrong here. There you go. And then let's go to Undertale. World famous Undertale. Then click this, and that should be like that. X is enter. So I've currently already played through, so that's it for this video today. I'm gonna do gameplay later, so I'm gonna show you how the menu works. So I'm here again. I did the neutral run, then Flowey said I should do a pacifist run, so here. This is A, I press letter A, and this is the menu, and item, and then stat. Okay, that's basically it for today's video. I'm gonna do it later. Oh look, frog it. It was splattered anyway, bushes. Okay, I'm just gonna go through fight. Spare. And that's basically it. Through the leaves, I save, then goodbye everybody. That's all that's it for this video. I'm gonna do gameplay later, so make sure you check that out, and goodbye.